There are certain products in life that can either make your life easier or help you be more productive. So here are 10 cheap purchases that can upgrade your life from being down here to up here on a productivity level and also on a healthy scale, so that you can improve your habits and just make it easier overall. Number one is a water bottle. We all know that staying hydrated is vital for our productivity and our well-being. So having a water bottle to carry around with you can help you save money on not only buying new bottles, but also reduce the amount of plastic that we waste. The other benefit of you carrying it around with you all the time is that you're actually a lot more likely to drink water if it's right next to you than if you have to get up and go and fill up a cup every single time you are thirsty. If you carry it around with you, you're a lot more likely to drink it, and therefore it's going to benefit you a lot, save you time and energy. Purchase number two is an alarm clock. This is an awesome alternative to using your phone if you use your phone as an alarm in the morning to wake you up. So it's actually going to help you build those healthy habits of not reaching for your phone in the morning when you wake up instantly. It's just going to be there as an analog clock to wake you up, and that's sole purpose only. It's not going to be a distraction to you if you wake up like your phone could be. And then obviously the other benefit of having an alarm clock is staying on time and organized so that you don't fall behind or you're not late to any big events. Purchase number three is a plant. Adding some greenery into your household can improve the aesthetics of your whole house vibe, and therefore it's going to increase your productivity, because obviously everyone likes a workspace where it looks nice and clean and aesthetic. That is why plants can really lighten up the mood in your house. It can also improve the air quality if you opt to get a real live plant, but then obviously you have to water it and take care of it. So I would probably just opt in for a fake plant that looks real and just place it in the corner on a desk or something, and it's going to make your whole area look a lot cleaner and more natural. Purchase number four is a journal. Writing down your thoughts and feelings after a long day can actually be really therapeutic and reflective. This can help you balance out your emotions throughout the day. If you've had a hard day, it can help you calm down and kind of reflect over how you could have handled it better, what you could have done, and some techniques to deal with it next time. The benefits of this is that you actually get to practice your gratitude, which is focusing on the things that you have in the present moment, not the things that you want in the future. That is a really good habit to practice, so that you're not constantly thinking about what you don't have, and that you're actually being grateful for what you're presented with. There is always somebody out there in the world in a worse position than you. And then also it can help build resilience, because if you're constantly writing down techniques of how to deal with different situations that you come across in your day, you're obviously going to have this big book of techniques to deal with certain situations. Journaling can also help shape your mind and your focus, and what you focus on is what you achieve. The most important thing I would say to you if you were trying to achieve your goal is your focus. If you focus directly on achieving that goal, you're going to get there eventually. Focusing on something is very, very important, and journaling can help you get there. Purchase number five is a cookbook. Learning to cook new recipes can become a hobby, and it is also going to help you eat a lot healthier, as well as help you save money and improving your mental health, because you obviously feel better about yourself if you eat good foods. You have this subconscious hormone where if you do something good or productive, you get rewarded with that hormone and a feeling of happiness. This is called dopamine. And for me, when I eat a healthy meal, or when I do a piece of exercise, when I do a healthy habit and practice it, I feel good about myself and I get dopamine from that. That is the good type of dopamine that you want. That is really, really good, because you're feeling productive and you get rewarded for doing something that you needed to do. Cooking can actually help you implement this by helping you to eat healthier. I'm running out of fingers to hold up the numbers because I have my phone as a mic because the other one broken. But anyway, number six is a gym membership. This is an amazing purchase, and I believe probably the most important one on this list. It's going to help you with your strength training, with your cardio, with your sports specific training, whatever you want to do as your form of exercise. I just really think that everyone who wants to improve themselves should have a gym membership. And since I've been part of a gym, I've found my confidence skyrocket, and every everything else about my life has just been better. The gym doesn't have to be fancy or expensive or a well-known brand. It just has to have the equipment you want to use and that is necessary to do exercise. So push yourself to your limits and your absolute maximum levels when you're in there, and watch how that drive and that discipline transfers into other areas of your life. If you get that one area of your life in the gym down pat, then the rest of your life is going to be able to follow those principles that you learn from the gym. Purchase number 7 is a Kindle or e-reader. If you love to read online, I think this is a really good option for you to invest in, because it's not really a screen that you're reading from. It's more of a paper/screen thing, and it's probably better for you than just reading off your phone or your laptop. It's also an affordable and convenient way to carry a book around. It's not heavy, it's not very big. You just have to carry it around with you, and that's it. You can also get access to a huge range of books without taking up too much space in your house. And like I said before, reading is not the same when you're doing it from a phone or a screen. Reading from the hard copy of the book is what you really want to do, and that's how you get the key benefits from reading. And a Kindle can actually help you do this by taking away your screen. Purchase number 8 is a set of tongue scrapers. This is a really good way to improve your personal hygiene because it's going to make your breath smell fresher for longer. Most people disregard this area of cleaning their teeth and their mouth, so it can be something that separates you from the rest. And once you actually start using them, once you have bought them, you realize why you did. It's going to be so much of an impact on your tongue and your oral health. Purchase number 9 is a set of device cleaners. Keeping your digital devices clean is always nice and aesthetic to look at, because no one really likes working with a dirty laptop or a phone with fingerprints all over it. So cleaning them with a set of these TikTok-like brushes, I'll put them up on the screen now, but something like this can really impact how you present yourself and what your device says about you. The all-in-one cleaners, the ones that do your AirPods, your phone, your laptop, all of that kind of stuff, I recommend getting a set of those, because not only do they keep everything clean and hygienic when you're taking them wherever you want to go with them, they're also going to make them run more efficiently, because you're keeping all of that dirt and that dust out of all the cracks and stuff in your laptop. So it's going to make it more efficient and last for longer. Finally, purchase number 10 is a set of noise cancelling headphones. Now, I know these are not the cheapest on the list, but probably one of the better purchases I would recommend. These can help you block out distractions and focus on what you need to get done. Whether you need to get work done or you need to get schoolwork, homework done, whatever you need to get done, it can help you dial in and just focus on that stuff while blocking out the distractions. They're also great for traveling on a plane or commuting to somewhere you do often. And so the quality that you get from this purchase is well worth the money, in my opinion, if you can afford it. So I hope you found something on this list of 10 cheap and easy purchases that is going to 10x and upgrade your life in the future. I hope you got value from this video. If you did, go down, hit the subscribe button down below. While you're down there, you can pick up my completely free mini course on how to build healthy habits, build discipline, and a free workout guide included in that. So go and pick that up completely for free right now when you subscribe down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.